I have been working with Dr. Hill for a little over actually almost 4 years now. Um, I actually worked with a different naturopathic doctor before I went to see Dr. Hill, and did not have great success with that doctor. The protocols kind of made me sick. And so that was one of the reasons that I sought out a different functional medicine doctor. And when I first came to Dr. Hill, I had extreme fatigue. I was barely able to kind of get through my day at work without just kind of feeling like I needed to go lay down, which is not typical for me. I have always been very active and had a lot of energy. And so this was really debilitating for me. So when I got with Dr. Hill, went through a lot of different testing and found out that I had some pretty significant hormonal imbalances, and just working with different supplements and different protocols. It took a little while because my body was so run down, but definitely over the past couple of years, it's incrementally gotten better. My hormones are a lot more regulated, and my energy level is so much better. And he's been able to help me understand what I need to do as far as making this stage of my life a lot more sustainable, as far as energy levels, as far as my stress levels, as far as what I'm eating. So I feel like I've been able to reclaim a lot of my quality of life.